No, man. Mas nakilala kayo nun. Kayo yung original na Batman and Robin.
Bakit meron ba ngayon?
Ng basketball.
Sa
Siguro wala pa. Ngayon,
kaming one and only.
One and only. Now that you're back, and si Senator Jaworski, marami pa rin umaasa ng mga fans niya that he will coach again one day sa league. And he's still there, popularity-wise, without a doubt.
Yes.
He's still very popular, very respected. Yeah. And you had that Batman and Robin tandem as players, but is there a chance that Batman and Robin tandem sa coaching side of it?
Well, let me comment this way. You know, what you said about Senator Jaworski is exactly right. He's one of a kind, right? I truly believe he's one of, if not the cornerstone of the PBA, he is the cornerstone of the PBA, you know, in all aspects. Popularity, but how did he become popular? He gave the game 101% every game. You know, the guy stood for what he believed in, you know. He was, so in that sense, whoever he is now, whatever he has as a basketball player and whatever else he has in life, he worked for it. You know? So now we talk about him and basketball. You know, I couldn't think of a better person who, you know, I described myself earlier. Multiply mo yan by 5, baka siya yun, you know, because of what he's done for the game. From day one, he's one that I've never seen him may lumapit sa kanya. No, and Eddie, you know that, right? Everybody knows that. He was so, because he saw the game in its totality. What it means to me, what I need, how I need to respect it, you know, and what I can become because of the game. He saw that noong pa eh. Nung nag-uumpisa pa lang siya. Okay? So that's what he brings into the game. So going back to him, I think the question was him coaching or something like that. I really, you know, ganito na lang. I ask you, what do you think? I ask the public, what do they think? I've been talking here for I don't know how long, you know. If you like what you hear, if I make sense, and if it, you know, opens a bulb there somewhere, hey, like I said, you know, I'm here. And who knows? I think, you know, I ask you if you think that you know, that partnership with Sunny and myself and what we can bring to the game is good for the sport today, then it will happen. Right? It will happen. I hope it happens.
So that means you're open to it.
Of course I'm open.
I-relieve yung potent tandem ninyo. And being part of it.
Of course I'm open. I'm here. Definitely. And like I said, I guess that's my opportunity, which I think I missed before, to be able to give back to the game what I got out of it and how I play.